Now, so far we done with uninstallation of Jenkins, installation of Jenkins. Okay, so let's start with configuring the Jenkins. So to configure the Jenkins, you can go to manage Jenkins. In the manage Jenkins, there are a lot of options. There are a lot of options. So one of the options is manage plugins, where using which you can able to install and uninstall the plugins and update the plugins. And if you want to go here, manage Jenkins, you can see when you click on the install, you get to see the plugins which you have installed. These are the plugins you have installed. Okay, and so these are the many plugins which are available for you to install. There are so many plugins which are available for you to install. Okay, so let's say if you want to install one particular plugin, okay, you can go to available plugin, select that one and install it. Okay, install without restart or no. So there are multiple options to install. And this is updates. Let's say you already installed some plugins. Okay, and for those plugins, latest updates are available. So in that case, you get to see some updates here. Okay, those you can update. That is about installing and uninstalling the plugins in the manage plugins section. Okay, manage plugins. So now we don't have to install any additional plugins, because we already installed all the plugins as per Jenkins suggested, and we don't have any updates of the plugins also, because we already installed the latest plugins. Okay, so let's move on to the configure global tool configuration. Okay, so this is what configuring the Jenkins. So this is what we call it as configuring the Jenkins. We need to add JDK. You can see here, we need to add the JDK. So name it as Java 8. In my case, I'm using Java 8 version. So install automatically. If you want to install the Java automatically, you can check this one. But if you remember, in all our systems, Java is already installed. Okay, so let's give that installed Java path. You don't require to install it automatically. Uncheck this one and give the Java underscore home. In my case, this is the Java underscore, the path of the Java home. So generally, if you are using Windows machine, it will be available in SQL and program files, Java JDK, Java JDK folder. Okay, so once you go into the JDK folder, you also see bin folder. Don't give that path. Okay, give the path until JDK. In the Mac, the easy way to get the Java home is type echo $java underscore home if you're using the MacBook. Okay, so in the Windows, you can say echo %java underscore home. In the Windows, you can use this command. Okay, so if at all Java underscore home echo Java underscore home not returning anything, then as I suggested, go to SQL and program files, Java and JDK. Give that path in the Windows. So that's about giving the configuring the JDK. And we are using the Maven project. So click on add Maven. Let's type Maven. So we haven't installed Maven in our system. Okay, so you might ask, Sudhir, we are able to create the Maven project in Eclipse. Okay, So that is related to Eclipse. So there is a Maven plugin which is by default already installed in the Eclipse. With the help of that, you can able to create Maven projects in the Eclipse. But if you remember, we have not installed Maven into our local system. Okay, so that's the reason, as we have not installed Maven into our system, I recommend select install automatically. If you already installed the Maven in your system, uncheck this one and give the Maven home path. Otherwise, install automatically. If you have not installed Maven, make sure you check this one, install automatically. Done. Apply and save it. That is about configuring the Jenkins.